Hey everybody, welcome to Froot Films. I'm here at the North Carolina Museum of Art in the outdoor section where they have like a park that surrounds the museum itself. And there's this really groovy whirly gig behind me, and I thought this would be a perfect place to start this vlog. So today I'm doing a little something complicated. I'm gonna do a vlog on a vlog. So I'm actually recording a vlog for my Bikin McNuggets channel today. And I thought it would be cool to do like a behind the scenes vlog for Froot Films that kind of follows how I go through doing the Bikin McNuggets. So I'm at the art museum. I haven't rode a bike out here in a while, and it's kind of hilly over here, but it shouldn't be too bad. After riding at the Umstead Park a couple days ago, I don't think I'll have any issues, although the hills are pretty steep. I'm also going to ride over to the bridge that crosses 440 Beltline. It's kind of a cool like view of the highway, and it goes way up over the bridge goes way up the hill and over the highway. So it's one of the steeper hills in Raleigh, actually. There's also a ton of construction over here at Wade Avenue, so we're going to go check that out. Maybe get a little glimpse of that. Like, they're doing some serious construction on the highway intersection at Wade Avenue and the Beltline, also at Western Boulevard, but we're not going to get over that far. Anyway, so today I'm going to get on the bike and film some Bikin McNuggets. It's going to get kind of complicated, so I'm not really sure exactly how I'm going to do this, but we're going to try. I hope I get all my settings correct because I'm shooting this in a different format than I do the Bikin McNuggets. Well, I got my bike and everything set up, so let's go get started on the other vlog. All right, here we go. Hey everybody, welcome to Bikin McNuggets. Today I'm at the art museum. The grounds outside. Start over, take two. Hey everybody, welcome to the North Carolina Museum of Art. I'm outside the museum at the park that surrounds the museum itself. I'm doing something crazy today. I'm vlogging a vlog, so I'm vlogging on a vlog. So basically I'm doing a vlog on my regular channel, Froot Films, and I'm following myself around on Bikin McNuggets. to the top of the bridge. It's really loud over here. But you can see some of the construction. A lot of major construction going on over here. Over Wade Avenue, they're building a bridge over top of over top of the belt line. Whereas before it went underneath. All right, thought I'd give you some zoom in look. Some of the stuff they're doing over here. There's some guys working now. Yeah, it looks like they're building forms maybe for some more concrete. I'm not sure. So yeah, you see where the forms are going over the belt line. And there's a giant hill over here that they built. Tons of dirt. It's going to be really interesting to see what happens. Also over at Western Boulevard, they're also doing some big construction over there, so good to see progress as it's happening. There you go. All right, let's go get back on the bike. Whew, gotta get some water. They got benches up here, so when you ride up these big old hills and you're about to die, you can sit down in the shade and have some water. Cheers. Now rub my sweat out of my eyes. Ooh. That's better. All right, water break, check. Let's get back on the bike. Here we go, all right. All right, so my GoPro overheated. It's that time of year where it's getting hot, so it's going to start overheating when you run it for, extended periods of time. So after about 30 minutes in the sun, running 60 frames a second at 1080, it tends to overheat because it's running so much info, If you're running 4K, it's even worse. But it's like, 80 something degrees and we're in the sun, so what you want, it's what it is. So we're just gonna sit here for a moment and let it cool down for a second, and we're just about done, so we'll head back and finish up the videos. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, you guys, remember, walking is for the birds, and get out and ride your bikes no matter where it's at. You can ride the Greenway, ride downtown, trails, wherever. Stay away from cars though. So anyway, until next time, you guys, peace. well, I hope this experiment worked. I hope you guys enjoyed my behind the scenes Bikin McNuggets vlog. Go over there and check out the video on my YouTube channel, Bikin McNuggets, if you want to see it. Should be pretty interesting. I thought this park was really beautiful. This whirly gig is really cool. It's worth coming out just to check out the whirly gig. Maybe get some photos of it or something. Oh, the sun was shining on it just a minute ago, but it's gone back in the shade. And anyway, it's not as spectacular as it has been at the last few minutes, but maybe the sun will come back out here in a second. Anyway, it's really neat. And the wind's blowing today and everything, so it's like really, we're getting some good movement and everything. It's absolutely beautiful. Thanks for joining me today on Froot Loop Films. You guys keep your loops fruity and go watch Bikin McNuggets. And until next time, we will see you later. I hope you have a great time, great day, great weekend, great week, great month. I hope it's not that long before I see you again. But come check me out on Froot Loop Films and Bikin McNuggets. So until next time, everybody, stay fruity. Peace.